Hey everybody, welcome. It is Thursday, and the time has come to trade with an analyst from OLYMP TRADE. My name is Thomas, and I'm happy to see you here in my webinar on my webinar. And for the next 40 to 45 minutes, I will share my trades with you. I will explain how I trade, and I will show you today's strategy, which is called the double Bollinger strategy. And this strategy is also one of my, well, in my opinion, this trade strategy, first of all, is very, very exciting. And second of all, this strategy, so in my opinion, I think it really has one of the highest success rates, or one of the highest conversion rates. Guys, if you can hear me, so kindly let me know and write something in the chat. I will be happy to answer as many questions as I can. Hello, Dinesh, and hello everyone else who has not texted me yet. So yeah, guys, this strategy is very, very accurate, and you don't really have that many trading signals with this strategy. So that's maybe one little downside to this strategy, but it's very good for, especially for, I don't know, like positional. I call it like swing trading and like basically intraday trading. But I will also show you how to apply this strategy in the form of scalping. So first of all, we need to go to here, and I will, okay, let me go ahead and unlock this trading strategy. So I will need to purchase this trading strategy because it is one of those strategies that you actually need to purchase separately. So with this trading strategy, basically you go to, oops, hold on, unlock, press go to market, and so basically I want to purchase this for 1 month, and I press confirm payment and success, and this strategy should become available. Second, guys. So so I've activated this trading strategy, so should be here, should become available. Why? Open in the interface. I should press open in the interface. Now I go back to click here, my trading strategy. Okay, so why does it keep changing the language? All right, it should be, it should be English, trading strategies, and here is double Bollinger. All right, I press enable strategy, and here it is. Here comes double Bollinger, guys. So close to 100 subscribers. Yeah. Well, all right. So I hope that Angie or Nikolai or maybe Yaroslav, they explain to you how this strategy works, and I will show you how I personally trade with this trading strategy. And I would like to start with our, let's say, like mid-term trades. So okay, so yeah, this strategy is probably some of the best signals with this strategy would be here when the second Bollinger with the deviation of 3. So if you click here, you have the standard deviation of 3. When the price of the chart, or the chart itself, the price drops all the way, or it goes up all the way, either very close to this, to the second Bollinger, so the slow one. So we have the fast one and we have the slow one. So with this slow Bollinger, is the second line of resistance, or second level of resistance, second layer of confirmation, to put it another way, in other words. And yeah, the closer the price gets there, the better your trading signal, and the more accurate your trading signal is. I would say like this. Okay, so like I said, maybe one little downside to this strategy is that you get signals relatively rarely. And I mean, I'm looking at this, I would say like 5 minutes time frame, and not so many signals yet. So but basically when you think about trading in general, that the more like rare you get signals, usually the better they work, so the higher efficiency of this of those trading signals. Yeah, like this one. So we have this first confirmation, but that would have been that would be a losing trade if you opened a trade here in the downwards direction. But when you open it from the second one, then that's a winning trade. All right, so probably this one we can, yeah, we can even set a pending order here. Let's try this one in the duration of, so I think it's 265 setup, and the duration would be like 12 minutes, and let it be the amount of 33 bucks, like this. So I don't really want to wait. I don't want to, like observe this chart for a limited period of time. I just set a pending order, and then I keep scanning for next signals. All right, guys, let us switch to yes, our default trading time, which is 1 minute time frame, and duration of trades is 1 minute. And let's start opening trades. So I would say here, yes, so we have what Asia Composite Index. We're going up, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I mean, like 5 candlesticks above Bollinger is well enough for our first trade here. All right, and this one. So we can open a trade. So basic dollar index 100 and 100.5332, 153.32, and that would be a trade in the upwards direction here. Yeah, like this one. All right, let's set a pending order here again. So 69, set and press. So yeah, well, basically, the idea of having two Bollingers is to, yeah, I would say like, I mean, probably I cannot put it any better. Yeah, like this one. So this one says ready, steady, and this one says go. Okay, so ready, steady, go. Yeah, that's pretty much the logic, if I can explain this in words, because sometimes I think we just don't have, or maybe I don't have enough of lexicon in English to explain this completely, but still. Wow, a question from Mustafa here. I'm thinking to about or I'm thinking to leave my job in order to have a full time for trading. Should I take the decision? Oh wow, well, I would say on average there is a kind of like this rule that if your monthly income from trading exceeds your salary by at least 2 times, then you can start thinking about this, I think. So this really has to be like not just by So your trading, your income from trading should not just exceed your income from your work, but it has to do it like twice or maybe even 3 times. Then this gives you a guarantee that you have a few winning months and then maybe you have a bad month. And what are you gonna do in your bad month? So I would say it is totally fine if you decide that you want to be a full-time trader. That's absolutely fine. Just make the basic calculations and set yourself, just maybe prepare yourself some money for a rainy day if it comes, or a rainy month in trading. So that would be my point here. So just that. But in general, yeah, I would say many people become full-time traders. Okay, guys, let's open one more trade here on AUD JPY. So we have breached our first level of resistance. Now we are at the second level of resistance here. And thus I opened the trade in the downwards direction here. So in the I doubled the amount of trade. So that's basically the double Bollinger concept. Okay. And so yeah, my first trade closed with a profit here. And my second trade closed with a loss here. All right, 196 on the yen. So first of all, I need to identify the price. Then I prepare my pending order I'm setting up. I set it up with this. Basically, I changed the quote. So rate of return, just put it above 75. And that's it. And then you press setup and press down or up. Okay, so yeah, something like this. So GBP JPY, I can see that this asset correlates with AUD JPY because they both have JPY in the second place, and definitely, yeah, AUD JPY. So we'll see how this one goes, but I think I mean it's pretty much obvious here that we have this yes, like a certain level of resistance here. All right. So I plan on opening one more trade here now to cover up the second trade here on this asset. And maybe hopefully even this one will close with a profit. Got 10 seconds and okay, so not this time. This is why I use another one. So another trade that can compensate the losses of the previous ones, the previous two. And here I think, yeah, 357 could be a nice entry position here. 357. So right, kind of almost in the middle between these two Bollingers. Okay, so Mustafa says, because combine between two of them caused me losing trade and losing focus. Yes, I would say so. So probably when I was in my beginner stages and I had to work, and during a certain period of my life, I actually had to work a typical 9 to 5 job So I probably started at 10 a.m. and I would finish at I think like 4:30 or 5 p.m. something like this. And then I would drive for about 45 minutes to get to the office of that company. That was a trading, like a prop trading company, and I would trade from there. And I would get home by midnight. I would sleep 5-6 hours. I wake up. So, but yeah, that was I only did this for about I think like maybe 2.5 or 3 months. So like you cannot last a long time, doing this. It is like absolutely impossible to do so in the yeah, you just cannot do it all the time. So basically at some point of time I was like, yeah, okay, I gotta quit my job. So I had to quit my job in the morning, and I concentrated on evening trades. And why would you ask? I traded in the evening because I was trading American stocks on the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq and the NYSE, and that's why I because of the time difference between my so the city where I lived back then, and I always had to. There was a probably 6 or 7 hour difference between New York time and my local time. All right, guys. Now my third attempt here, and it's just not going. It's just not really going up and not really going down. 5 seconds to go on this one. Whew. Very nervous moment, but still I managed to, yes, to complete this sequence. So I managed to cover up the losses of this one and this one. So 75 bucks, and the profit is 84. So eventually I earned $9, and I compensated the first steps. All right, let's try. So I think of doing this here. So GBP JPY, which is a correlating asset. Nice. So this one, oh no, it still closed with a loss. Was I think that was very close to a win. Okay, so it closed with a loss. And this one, yeah, I think that was like perfect timing here. So AUD JPY. So one little like thing I have to tell you guys is that when you trade FTT mode of trading with 1 minute time frame and duration of like say 1 minute or 3 minutes, then a lot depends on the momentum, right? So you can enter a trade right now, or if you enter it say 2-3 seconds after, then the price is different. The price has changed by then. So that is why sometimes I would say like we might have two traders who trade I would say like the same assets, and then one trader is winning and the other one is just like losing. So uh, so USD JPY, so the Japanese yen against the US dollar, or vice versa. Yeah, basic altcoin index. Yes, let's open a trade up. So I would say that this is nearly a perfect moment. We can open two trades simultaneously, and we have a breakout here. All right. So where will the next stop be? Okay, so it's here, and so let's check all the assets with JPY in them. So this one and the USD JPY. Nice. So we are almost at Bollinger, and yes, perfect. So the idea of this double Bollinger is to really try and catch this moment when the price touches this this line. So what's happening here? I have 2 minutes to go on this asset. So yeah, when you try and combine your regular work with trading, well, I would say, and like I say, you need to set priorities, and maybe in the beginning it might be a little too hard, and well, I don't know what else can I suggest here. Probably what I can suggest here is you wanna maybe you wanna go ahead and try maybe just spend maybe I don't know, just think about how much time you want to spend trading per day. Maybe you just need like 2 hours in the morning before work, before going to work, and then maybe um, 2 3 hours in the evening, and then like say 30 minutes in the middle of the day or of your working day, something like this. I think it all comes down to being flexible. So how flexible you are, and how well you can manage your like free time. So it's I think it's also a little bit about money management as well. So we have another signal here. So yeah, it's about flexibility, it's about money management, and it's also about your time management, especially in your first beginner stages. Like when you know that you can make a decent amount of money, and um, you don't depend on like survival. So I mean, like you are not surviving, but you have money to trade, you have money to save a little bit. So that's a different story. Then you become more flexible. Okay, so I have one win, one lose here. They kind of compensate one another. We can go ahead and try another one here. So basic altcoin index here, and let's have a look at USD JPY. So I think if everything goes well, this will be a nice win here. So let's just see. So 10 seconds to go, and okay, so one little thing that I don't like about Bollinger Band and about counter trend trading in general is that, well, basically it's counter trend. Okay, so because the thing is that trends or they usually have a tendency of continuation. So trends are likely to continue before they actually reverse. Okay, so this is why I prefer trending trading strategies over counter trend trading strategies. So and yeah, like my example, my one of my some of my favorite strategies are diving and like kind Martin. So because there, all you need is you need to identify like one, like you get one signal, and then you can kind of, stay on this signal for just a longer period of time, and yeah, and you don't really need anything else. It's just to stay on one signal, and yeah, okay. So yeah, Bitcoin is nice. Okay, let's try another trade here. So 290, so 289 on the USD JPY. So this trade will be in the downwards direction. So the Euro USD is going up. So I think around here, that would be an interesting setup. What about my 12-minute trade? Okay, so yeah, So eventually, the trade opened at this price. That was not really the slow Bollinger, the second Bollinger. That was like in between them somewhere. All right, let's try this one. So GBP USD. Yes, this one is good. So basically, this is, in my opinion, like the ideal setup with this strategy. Can we use Bollinger Band in trading market? Yes, I think so. Bollinger is this indicator that can work well with both trading market and counter trend market. And the thing is that within, like, say, global market trends, you can still find these local sub trends. And yeah, basically you can combine them. Okay. Yeah, what about this Mahajantar index? So let's give it a try. So this counter trending trade. Okay, so this is so 42 point. Wow, so wow, we're already at 43,000. I didn't notice how fast we went here. Okay, so Dow Jones is really okay. So this is going to be interesting. Yes, that was the signal number one, and this can be signal number two here. So on Dow Jones. So any best tips for 1 minute trading? Maybe the best tip would be not to trade 1 minute trades, because so 1 minute trades is the most difficult time to predict. It's like really like some of the like less predictable times, like really. Okay, so let's try. Yes. Okay. Okay, it's getting really hard to catch this moment. But all right, so going back to 1 minute trading, I suggest that you can try a trading strategy called barcode. And this one and that strategy, I think it can really I mean, like, it's better than nothing. It's better than just doing guesswork and just trying to predict where the price will go. Uh, at least it is based on mathematics and on some patterns. So okay, so yeah, the pound trade here was probably some of my best trades today in this webinar. So I opened it here, then the price went down, went up again, and we closed here. So that was pretty good. So this Mahajantar index, you know what? I think we can give it a try again. So Well, I will not exclude it from my attention, from my focus. Hmm. Wow, Apple. Okay, so trading will open in 4 minutes. So we opened with a gap up on stocks. Wow, and look at this. Yeah, let's do another trade here. Hold on. So 75 and let's set a pending order here. And the trade on gold. So okay, so this one is good. So AUDCAD, yeah, fine. I have finally found this setup, and yeah, let's open one more trade here on Dow Jones. So we are still going up, we are still pushing north, and we can open another counter trending trade. So with the help of the double Bollinger strategy here, double Bollinger, double confirmation. Wow, we're pushing north again, and let's open another trade. So it'll be like a series of trades all in one direction, all counter trending, because we have approached the second line, the second Bollinger. All right, and this one, okay, so trading will open in 1 minute. So all these ETFs will open in 1 minute. And Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum. Okay, so what's the situation on Bollinger? All right, so the first one closed with a loss. What is going to happen with my second trade here? So will it reverse? And yeah, Tesla opened with a gap up and is trading now with a gap up because of the because of this report that they posted yesterday, earnings report, and the only problem with Tesla is that they cannot meet the demand for their product. They work in full force. They are working in full force, and they are trying to meet the demand, but there is just more more demand that they can meet. And yeah, so it's not the problem of like sales, it's the problem of production. So like everyone wants to have a Tesla nowadays, it seems. um, so yeah, that's okay. So Asia Composite. And I think this strategy now, I opened my first trade here, then I opened my second trade here, and I opened my third trade here, and I won, or I'm about to win on two of them. So which is a very nice result. Gold, so it can be this, set a pending order. Yes, here it is. Oh, Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. So we have this real nice gap up. Yeah, we can open. Yeah, let's try this counter trend in trade. It'll be okay. So yes, we have this second line of resistance here on the AUD JPY. We can go ahead and try opening. So try 1 minute trade. Well, I would, but I just probably need another trading strategy for that, because 1 minute trades, I really need to base this something. I need to base this upon something actually. So yeah, guys, if you plan on opening like trades, you always have got to have a, like, say, a trading plan. Because I mean, I can hold on, let me cancel this one. Because I mean, opening a trade is like not a problem at all, but what will it be based on? Okay, just yeah, I don't really like opening just random trades. In my trading, I just like to have some idea behind something. So yeah, right, Astro, Europe Composite Index, yes. It's fine. The down trade here. Gold is doing fine right now. So yeah, the Euro USD is pushing south. So this could be a nice, counter trend trade. Okay, and let's try basic altcoin index. And I think what I missed was like this trade. So like right now I see that I should have I should have placed a pending order. All right, now I can open another counter trend here. So let the price be 751 here, and I think I want to cancel this trade actually, guys. I don't know, we're just pushing. Yeah, I think we're just pushing south too much there, north, sorry. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have closed it, canceled it. Well, anyways, sometimes you just make such decisions. So gold, yes, this will be a profit. The USD JPY, my friend here. Oh, my daily task is complete. Nice. I have won some experience points. So yeah, experience points convert into risk-free trades. So yeah, let me go ahead and open a few risk-free trades since I've accumulated so many. Nice, a win on gold, a win on the USD GPY. Nice, nice. I should not have canceled this. Why did I cancel this? Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I just pretty much left on the table like 70 bucks or something, guys. That's my mistake here. Why? Okay, so sometimes it just okay, so I was really affected by the emotions. Okay, so let's try and open a risk-free trade here, and let's use another risk-free trade on some other asset. Just thinking which one. And yes, let this be another trade on Bitcoin. And yeah, Tesla should be a win, I hope. So 183. Yes, Tesla is a win here. So yeah, I would say it looks like a kind of like a profitable or ideal trade here. So I opened it here, and all the time it stayed in the winning area for me. So basic altcoin index shown the chart. All right, so yeah, it was very close to a win. So two more trades here on Bitcoin and one trade here on the Europe Composite Index. Guys, I think we should stop here, in fact, because I think I've already opened quite a few trades. I want to calculate my trades today that I did, that I opened. So when did I start? I started. So I started with this. I started with Asia. I started with Asia Composite Index. This one was before. All right. So I count one. Okay. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 winning trades so far. This one just closed. 13 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 losing trades so far. And a few more trades. So we definitely open this trade here in the downwards direction. And yeah, actually, I canceled this trade on basic dollar index. That was a mistake. That was a terrible mistake. The only trade that I canceled today was probably some of the best trades. I don't know why I canceled this guy. Guys, it's just sometimes when you conduct a webinar and you just talk and analyze the chart, it's just you do it like simultaneously. So I don't know. And my last trade will be, okay, so I think it should be a winning trade. I hope. A few seconds to go here, 2 seconds to go. And how do you set the strategy? So if you want to set this trading strategy, you need to go to trading strategies, and you're gonna need to scroll down all the way to, well, where it says double Bollinger, and you will need to unlock this trading strategy in the market. Or you can just go to another way, like a simple way, another way which is a little bit you go to trade indicators tab, and you press double Bollinger, and you edit twice, and then you modify. One is 20. The standard deviation is 2, and in the second one the standard deviation is 3, and that's it. I'm canceling this one. So guys, 14 winning trades, 13 losing trades, and my total result is so plus 114, no, $124. So plus 124. So that could have been a little more had I not canceled that trade on basic dollar index. Where was that trade? So yeah, this was a bad decision because immediately after it just collapsed. Well, anyways, that's life, that's trading. Guys, thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this trading strategy, in my opinion. So, like I said, this strategy is very good, and you can either buy it in market on the market or in our market, or you can just um, yeah apply it with your own hands by adding two Bollinger Bands indicators, and just changing the properties of one of them. All right, guys, thanks a lot again. We'll see you soon and have wonderful results in your trading. And yeah, we'll see you soon.